To make this lassi, first add in 500 ml of curd or yogurt into a blender, followed by 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the quantity as per your taste. Then add in half a cup of milk or water. I have used chilled milk. You can add ice cubes if you want to. Lastly, we will add in seeds of 4 to 5 cardamom pods and blend this. Lentils smooth and frothy. Then pour this into serving glasses. I have made enough to serve 3 people. Finally, you can garnish it with chopped almonds, pistas or saffron. This is optional. The lassi tastes better when it is chilled, so consume it immediately. Enjoy!